and I will change this with Sega US semi bold, and now it is looking as same. This gone. Okay. So now grid line. What is this grid line? It is dotted. If I see solid and I do this black, yeah, this is the grid line. You understood the grid
Okay.
line, meaning of grid line? We don't need this grid line.
Yes.
Okay. There is one thing is zoom slider. What is this slider?
If we wish to zoom, okay, and see,
Yeah,
okay.
we don't need this. Now
Mm,
comes to bar. Now here we can do something.
mm,
Suppose what is this inner padding? What if I increase the inner padding? Oh,
mm, mm,
my this thing has gone thin
With
and
width decrease or increase. Yes.
yes, thin and so if I move the my bar gets thinned, and if I come down, my bar gets uh, not thinned. Okay. What is the minimum category width? 20. Let us bring this as 50. Uh,
mm,
that means only three things. There is one slider has come up.
mm. Yeah.
Okay.
Saurabh,
Are you there, Saurabh?
I think Saurabh is having bandwidth issues.